Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Engineer Mezba Ahmed. I am a software engineer, cybersecurity engineer, and cloud DevOps engineer with a strong background in building a secure and scalable and high performance application. With years of experience in cloud infrastructure automation and security, I will help you make your business ensuring the reliability and efficiency. What I will do: software development, Laravel, WordPress, Python, and API development, cyber security, web application security, and penetration testing and vulnerability assessment, and cloud DevOps, and AI and automation, and SEO and optimization. I will take the period in delivery the top quality solution tailored to your business. Let's connect. Let's connect and build something. Get together. Feel free to knock me anytime. Thank you.